Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main energy source for the monkey body. This is the first thing the body uses when it needs power. Monkey eats banana, carbs get broken down into sugar, and that sugar fuels everything. Walking, thinking, even breathing, existing. But not all carbs are equal. Simple carbs, white bread, sugary drinks, candy, give energy fast. Too fast. Sugar spike happens, energy feels good for a moment, then crashes hard. Monkey suddenly tired again. Needed more food. That cycle is the problem. Complex carbs, oats, brown rice, banana, release energy slowly, steadily. No spike, no crash. Just consistent fuel throughout the day. When carb levels drop too low, the monkey body starts feeling like a phone at 3%. Slow, heavy, struggling to do basic things. Carbs are not the enemy. The wrong kind, in the wrong amount, that's the issue.
Protein. Protein is the builder. Every muscle, every strand of hair, every layer of skin, every tiny working part inside cells, built from protein. Here's how it works. Monkey eats food with protein. Body breaks it down into smaller pieces called amino acids. Those amino acids are the actual building blocks. Body takes them and uses them exactly where needed. Daily life causes small damage inside the body, constantly. Moving causes it, working out causes it, even just existing causes it. Protein is what fixes all of that. When repairs don't happen properly, the body slowly becomes weaker. Not dramatically, just gradually less capable over time. Different proteins do different things. Animal proteins contain all essential amino acids. Plant proteins sometimes need to be combined to get everything. Both can work. Monkey just needs to be aware.
Fats. Fats have a bad reputation. That reputation is mostly unfair. The monkey body genuinely needs fat. Brain is nearly 60% fat. Hormones are made from fat. Organs sit inside soft fat cushions that protect them from impact. Fat carries vitamins A, D, E, and K through the body. Without fat, those vitamins can't be absorbed at all. The problem is not fat. The problem is which fat. Healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil, fatty fish, support the brain, reduce inflammation, and help the heart. These are the fats the body wants. Unhealthy fats, deep-fried everything, processed snacks, certain oils, damage blood vessels over time and cause inflammation. These are the ones causing the bad reputation. Monkey should not fear fats. Monkey should just choose better ones.
Vitamins are the small helpers. They don't give energy directly. They make sure every system that produces energy, repairs damage, and fights infection actually works correctly. Here's something most monkeys don't know. Vitamins split into two groups. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, dissolve in fat and store inside the monkey body. This means they build up over time. Good news? Monkey doesn't need them every single day. Less good news, too much of them causes problems because they don't just leave. Water-soluble vitamins, B vitamins, vitamin C, dissolve in water and don't store. Whatever the body doesn't use leaves in urine the same day. Good news? Overdose is very rare. Less good news, monkey needs them regularly because they don't stick around. Without enough of the right vitamins, things don't collapse immediately. They slowly degrade. Vision gets worse, immunity weakens, wounds heal slower. Not dramatic, just a quiet decline that builds over time.
Minerals. Minerals are the balance keepers. Calcium keeps bones from becoming fragile. Iron keeps blood carrying oxygen properly. Potassium keeps the heart beating in correct rhythm. Sodium and water balance depend on each other.
Magnesium keeps muscles relaxed and helps monkeys sleep. Each one doing specific work that nothing else can replace. The full story of what each mineral does? Monkey already knows this. That's a whole other video. But the short version is this. Minerals control the foundation. Fluids, bones, nerves, heart, all of it. Remove even one mineral from the system and something specific starts failing. Water. Water is the most important nutrient. Not debatable. More than half of the monkey body is water. Blood is mostly water. Brain is mostly water. Muscles are mostly water. Even bones contain water. Every single process inside the body requires water to happen. Digestion, circulation, temperature control, waste removal, thinking. When water levels drop even slightly, things start going wrong immediately. Mild dehydration, just 1 or 2% below normal, and monkey starts feeling tired, unfocused, and foggy. Most monkeys walk around in this state daily without realizing dehydration is the reason. Severe dehydration is dangerous fast. Organs start struggling. Temperature control fails. Brain function drops significantly. Monkey can survive weeks without food. Without water, days. That difference says everything about where water sits in the priority list. Fiber. Fiber is the one nutrient that doesn't actually get absorbed. And that's exactly the point. Fiber passes through the digestive system without being broken down. While it moves through, it does several important things. It sweeps the gut clean, it feeds the good bacteria living in the digestive system, it slows down sugar absorption, which prevents the spikes and crashes from the carbohydrate section. It makes everything move at the right pace. Not too fast, not too slow. 2 types exist. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and slows digestion down, helps control cholesterol and blood sugar. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve and keeps things moving, prevents the uncomfortable backup that happens when digestion stalls. When fiber is low, digestion suffers first. Then gut bacteria suffer. Then blood sugar control becomes harder. Then cholesterol management becomes harder. One nutrient, multiple downstream effects.